Good afternoon all, this is Jason, ZL2 Foxtrot Tango. It's been a long time since I've done any videos, so I thought it's about time I better get something done. Done a few changes around the place, a few different setups now. Been doing a lot on the digital modes like Whisper, Ross, JT65, PSK31, SSTV, etc. So I've been pretty active on the digital modes and some of the QRP sort of activities as well. Of course, with the sunspot cycle starting to improve, things are starting to look up finally, and 20 metres in the evening here at the moment is excellent. The date at the moment is the 19th of March 2011, and as probably aware, last week the sunspots peaked at about a flux level of 155, which is pretty good, the highest so far in cycle 24. So long may it improve. It's dropped off a bit now, it's down to 88 again, but I'm sure it'll pick up when the sun comes around. Okay, let's change a few things around. Running here kind of two stations now. This is my second setup in the bedroom I've got here. This is run off a Cushcraft R7 vertical, which is mounted 11 feet off the ground at the base of the vertical antenna. And I also have a 5-element 2-metre Yagi off the side of the house roof off a hockey stick, up about 21 feet at the base of the 5-element beam, and that's pointing down towards Palmerston North to a repeater down there, 147.125, the ZL2 kilowatt Oscar Palmerston North repeater there. I'm sure if you look up that website there, you'll find the information on the 147.125 repeater, which is also a IRLP node as well. So if you connect up through that via IRLP, and you might hear me on I monitor that repeater quite a lot because it is fairly active around the Palmerston North, Lower North Island area. So there's the local national system on the 70 centimetre band here in New Zealand, and that's on 439875 here in Wanganui. Okay, I'll just give you a quick rundown. I've got JT65 running here in the background at the moment on the screen, so I shall get behind the camera now and give you a quick rundown of the second shack I've had set up. I've had it going for a couple of months now. Worked quite a bit of DX into Europe, also North America, and as I say, modes like JT65 is excellent for QRP. I'll probably have to do another video on that to give you more details on this very interesting digital mode, like many others like the Whisper mode, etc. So I'll just get behind the camera here and we'll go through the setup that I've got. Right, well, the radio is the same, the 756 Pro 2, nice radio there, and certainly does a good job monitoring, as I say, the JT65 digital mode frequency, 14076 on 20 metres at the moment, and next to that is the ZL2FT 8800R, and so that's connected up. We're monitoring the 7125 repeater in Palmerston North and the local national system UHF's repeater here in Wanganui. Up above that, it's got a basic weather station. It's just giving me inside temperature, etc. And give you a quick rundown. I think it's 21 degrees here in the shack. A little bit of reflection there, but 21 degrees and 1015. The time is way out of whack. I don't bother setting the clock every time I replace the battery. I can't be bothered. Got a basic old scanner there. It's a Uniden. I think it's a 760. They were quite common around about 93, 1992. But just a standard analog receiver, and that's just sitting on a basic little whip off the back of it there. And that there at the moment is the JT65 software I'm running. It's already received a few stations. There's the stations on the waterfall being received. You have to have your internet clock on your computer accurate as, just like Whisper, has to be dead on accurate your internet clock. So I use Dimension 4. Dimension 4 is a free download for keeping your clock up to date, and it has to be as accurate. And there's the stations so far heard. Whoops, the ones in green are the ones calling CQ. So there's a little bit of rusher there. K2, K7 coming through, and not too bad, minus 10 dB. And you can also put the self-spotting up onto the PSK reporter, etc., or a reverse beacon as they call it. So as I say, I'll explain that another time on a video. This is a piece of software, JT65 version 1.0.7. I'll just quickly show you a website where you can find some information and download. There's an Italian station who's got a pretty good website, so I'll just... So if you go to that chap's website there, here's downloads, etc. So I'll explain that some other time. And Z4CZL, and it just basically runs through the JT65 mode. So go all your downloads there as well. So that's pretty good. You can just click there and download the zip file and extract it and set it all up. And it's an excellent mode for people playing with QRP or basic antennas like dipoles or verticals or even hidden antennas. It's amazing what you can hear on the JT65 mode. And I'll be talking more in the future on things such as reverse beacon network, etc. that they have for JT65. So anyway, that's just a quick update of the station and setup and things I'm running here at the moment. So hopefully again in the near future I'll do another couple of videos and get some keep you up to date with some more information. Okay, 73s from now from Jason, ZL2 Fox Tango in Wanganui, New Zealand, and all the best from me in the South Pacific, and hope to work you guys on the band. 73s.